Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel Saira's Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another sewing project. As you can see, we have this gorgeous piece of art behind us. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this wall hanging quilt, lap quilt or a twin bed quilt. This quilt is a special gift for 25th birthday for my best friend Sarah Zest. Happiest birthday, Sarah. And I hope you're gonna love this quilt. She loved blue in a different shade, so I have used 4 different shades. Also have created this quilt bag, and these all patches I have used on this quilt. This is another addition. I'm gonna put this quilt inside of this bag to make this more adorable. This project is so much fun, and I'm going to teach you step by step everything. There's some projects which I already have teach on my channel, which I will be and already have put in my special quilt with the Saira playlist. Just go ahead and check that out that as well. Before I head out to the project, if you're new to Saira's Creations, just go ahead and subscribe so you can get all the further updates related with this channel. So let's go ahead and start it. So here's my quilt panel, which is for chef, my best friend, and I thought I should share this project for you as well so you can learn something new and different, or maybe some different design as a gift to present somebody or for family member. First thing which I'm going to do, I'm going to soak this panel in cold water for a couple hours, and then I will dry out and iron press this full. In that way, if this fabric have to shrink, it will shrink. Otherwise, we will be good to go to work on this. Okay, so after soaking my fabric into cold water, iron pressed, and all the cutting just to save time, my each block is 9.5 inches wide and long. It's a square block, and if you can see, it's perfect cut. Okay, so I have 8 block these, and then I have 4 different colors patterns straps, which is 2 inches wide. My plan is I'm gonna use each different pattern on each different block to give a border line around, and then I will see the length of my square. And since I want to make like a lap quilt or wall hanging quilt, and I will see how much I have to add a couple more straps, different matching straps to increase the size, so stay tuned. Also, I have used interfacing for these straps because these fabrics were very thin, so it had needed the interfacing. That's the only, since this fabric is new, it doesn't need any interfacing, so using interfacing on these straps, making even up the both fabrics. Okay, so this is what I'm working on. I just made my first block, which is 12 inches plus quarter inch. So after we will be stitching quarter inch from all around, that probably gonna give us 11 and a half or something. So I'm going to show you one block how I have prepared this, and then I will prep all those, and I will show you the next what I'm going to do with this quilt. So we are going to create something like this. I have 2 inches wide strap here. First we are going to attach on top and bottom, and we are going to do quarter inch stitch. Okay, after stitching top and bottom, then we will be doing the sides. And if I show you from the back, after stitching all, when we have a stitch top and bottom, I have opened both seams and iron press. In that way our all stitches and panels should be flattened. Then we have attached the sides straps, and also I have opened iron press stitch. In that way, if you see, we don't have any bulkiness and our block is very flat. So let's create other one. Simply I'm just going to add pins. I have no need to add pins, but for beginners I will show you. Simply just add pins. We're going to stitch 1/4 inch and then we will trimming sides, and I will show you the next step. So before iron press, I'm going to trim these extra edges. That will help our panel to stay nice. Okay, so for iron press, since I have the fusible iron press on a back, I'm not going to press on a back. I'm simply just going to hand press these stitches. Okay, and going to press on the right side. Let me show you here. Perfect. Going to open on other side as well. And that's it. Now simply we are going to add another straps on both sides, and we're going to stitch and iron in the same way, and our block will be ready. Okay, so this is what I'm working. Okay, so the next step after preparing all my blocks, I'm using a 2.5-inch wide strap in between two blocks, and I had to show you earlier I have used 4 different patterns for 2 inches straps. So I'm going to make each color attached together, so I will have 4 long blocks adding this 2.5-inch straps. Once I prepare all these 4, then I will show you the next. So here I'm just having an estimate. I have sewed 2 blocks together by adding this strap in a center, and my 8 blocks are now 4 panels. Okay, have, you know, like a tiny binder, not the binder but the strap, you know, reduce the size of the strap so I can just have a little color going on. All right, I guess I'm gonna do this now. So in that way the seams should be look pretty neat. So my this strap is 2.5 inch, which I am going to do 1 inch and quarter-inch stitch, and we will have a 1/2 inch left over. Alright, so finally my front panel is ready to sandwich with the bedding and backing, and I will also add the hanging pocket up on the top. These all projects I have all teached on my channel with the details. I will share the links below, and also I have created a special playlist for you, quilt with the Saira, which I will also share the link in the description box. So you simply can go to that playlist and learn so many tips and techniques how to do quilting. So this is the panel. I'm going to finish this. I will add the binder at the end, and then I will show you the final look. Thank you so much for watching our today's sewing project, and I'm sure you have loved it. Not only this quilt, but addition of quilt bag as well, which came out so adorable. I had no idea what I was creating, but once it was done, it was absolutely worth it, as I have used all those 4 patches from my project. These 2 patches are also were part of the blocks I got. Then I had a little bit of leftover patch which I sewed together and create a pocket, and this fabric was a part of the binder I have added, and the pink was additional added because these panels have a pink inside. So everything worked together so nicely, and for sure my friend's going to love this project and her birthday gift. Thank you so much for watching. If you really like this project, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking, and DIY projects. Now you can also subscribe to my new channel, Saira's Life in USA, where you're gonna see all my life vlogs. Thank you so much for your support. I love you all. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are, and have always abundant life. Bye.